Remando Rania, our Principal Ma'am Jasmine Lim. Hanggang sa huli. To my four-year advisor, Teacher Kiel. To my teacher, especially to Teacher Joyce, Teacher Frank, Teacher Leia, and Teacher Laika is in Sorsogon. To my grade 10 face-to-face and online classmates. And to my teacher, especially to Teacher Philip and Teacher Janet, at least. For patience, for understanding, and for the unconditional love that all of you shared for these years that I've been here in this school. I have autism and Tourette. Even if I go out to focus. Because of these challenges, my experiences in class were fun. I got to learn so many great things. I try my best to give my attention, even if it may not be enough. Just like memorizing the speech. This is very hard for me. Many of us here have special needs, but that doesn't mean that we are defeated in life. That is why I admire our teachers and parents for all their efforts to make us better. Above all, we thank God for all the blessings He gave us. Thank you for blessings of our teachers and family. Thank you, Lola, for being my study partner. Thank you, Mommy, for helping me in studies and exam. Thank you, Daddy, for the food, and thank you, Celeste, for protecting me well. I pray as dear students become productive members of the society. I pray that the society sees more of our contributions rather than our disabilities. I leave you with the famous quote, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Let us continue to see the future with positive outlook. Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po and God bless all. Congratulations everyone, we made it!
Yeah.